Imagine floating in space and suddenly noticing something strange ahead of you. Not a planet, not a star, just a perfect circle of darkness. No light, no surface, no escape. You feel its gravity pulling you closer, slowly at first, then faster and faster, until you realize something terrifying. You are about to fall into a black hole. But here's the question scientists still debate today. What actually happens to you after you cross the edge? Black holes are the most mysterious objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The result is something so dense that not even light can escape. That's why they appear completely black. At the center of most galaxies, including our own, lies a supermassive black hole. But the most terrifying part is something called the event horizon. This is the invisible boundary around a black hole. Once you cross it, there is no way back, not even at the speed of light. As you get closer, something strange begins to happen. Time itself starts to behave differently. From your perspective, everything might seem normal. But to someone watching from far away, you would appear to slow down. Your movements become slower and slower, as if time around you is freezing. Eventually, to them, you would appear completely frozen at the edge of the black hole. But from your point of view, you would continue falling, straight into the unknown, and then the real nightmare begins. Black holes stretch objects using something scientists call tidal forces. Your feet would feel a much stronger gravitational pull than your head. Your body would begin stretching longer and longer, like a strand of spaghetti. Scientists actually have a name for this terrifying effect: spaghettification. Your body would stretch thousands of kilometers long before being torn apart into atoms. Everything that once made you, would be pulled apart by gravity. But here's where things become even stranger. No one actually knows what lies inside a black hole. At the center is something called a singularity, a point where gravity becomes infinite and the laws of physics completely break down. Some scientists believe everything that falls in is crushed into nothing. Others think black holes might be gateways to another universe, or tunnels through space called wormholes, meaning falling into a black hole might not just be the end. It could be a door somewhere else. But here's the biggest twist of all. Black holes might not be completely black. In 1974, physicist Stephen Hawking proposed something shocking. Black holes might slowly evaporate through a phenomenon now known as Hawking radiation. Over billions of years, they could slowly lose energy and eventually disappear. This means even the most powerful objects in the universe might not last forever. Right now, in the center of our galaxy, there is a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It has a mass 4 million times larger than the Sun, and it sits about 26,000 light-years away from Earth. Thankfully, far enough away to keep us safe. But black holes are scattered across the universe, silent, invisible, and unbelievably powerful. So imagine this one last time. You are floating in space, slowly drifting toward a black hole. The event horizon is right in front of you. One more second, and you cross the point of no return. The question is, would you dare to look inside?